Pochita finally erases Denji's source of trauma. He leaves, I meet a girl or a boy, I ain't picky, we start talking, she realizes I'm obsessed with Chainsaw Man. A real man never speaks ill of. Yoru. Literally the same Yoru, but she called herself a mother. Sacrificing children to save the world. Sacrificing children for your selfish desires. How I stare at my phone after Yoru calls the bomb devil, and we get a clear panel of it pulling Reese with itself, and then a panel of Reese dead on the floor with Yoru now holding a super cool bomb sword. You kill my childrens. I can make you new ones. Sem fans reading 177 after Yoru turns her granddaughter Reese into a fucking ballistic missile and launches it up Pochita's ass. Have a good meal. And don't forget, plus all. Just realized that the cinema hall will be filled with stinky-ass virgins Chainsaw Man fans and I have to sit with them. It's over. Please be patient, I have autism. Part 1 Denji. Part 2 Denji. Some poor lady in heaven watching the blood devil that possessed her corpse let a teenager fondle her tits. The Penguin Park episode of Spy X Family was so cute, but it was kind of weird that throughout the episode there was a background character constantly telling sea animal trivia to a guy who obviously didn't care about it. The fandom no longer calls you a femcel, the fandom now calls you autistic. Makima. Entire paragraph Pochita honest response. Look, a fraction of power. Give me my body back. LOLO cry about it, Bismillah, by power of Allah. Begone war shaitan. Nuwu, let's go pray in mosque, brother Denji, inshallah. Me petting my pet devil before I die in a trash bin, it's our final moments together. Fact. A group of high schoolers wouldn't fuck Kwangsi, so she killed them and gave their corpses to devils for them to possess. This is how she attained her harem. Dude, where are we going? Sign language school. Sem fans. Fans of literally anything else. By Denji, I'm leaving for kill some devil. Not dressed like that, you aren't, young lady. Chainsaw Man fans when they get groomed into a manipulative relationship and realize it's a Chainsaw Man reference. Jake power system. Sem power system. As devil is radioactive, come, and can one-shot I Dennis because I said so.